Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Vignesh Anand. In this video, we are going to see about the transformer testing. Specifically, a common test will be done to check the uh, tap positions are in a correct level or not. For that, we are going with the turns ratio and voltage ratio testing. So in this video, we are going to see about the voltage ratio and turns ratio testing. So normally the voltage ratio testing is commonly carried by uh, test measurements between the voltage ratio of your primary and secondary as per the customer's requirement. So a common terminology is you know very well that V primary divided by V secondary is equal to N primary divided by N secondary. So this is your just common terminology formulas to check the voltage ratio of your transformer. So for example, I am just taking a single phase transformer connection in which the injecting kit, uh, actually I have mentioned as a injecting voltage 230 volt. I have giving one single phase supply to your primary and neutral and checking with the secondary side. And also this is your for example, I am saying that this transformer consists of 35 taps, means for all the taps you should do the voltage ratio test and check that values. Then this is your voltage ratio testing formula. Injected voltage, injected voltage V primary divided by V secondary divided by actual primary voltage divided by actual secondary voltage. So this is your formula. Injecting voltage primary by secondary is equal to actual voltage, which means the actual voltage will be given in your nameplate itself. You can easily able to see the ratio of your value. So after finding after measuring the injecting voltage in your primary and secondary side both, then you need to do a ratio calculation in which the ratio error will be measured. So your ratio error formula is equal to measured value. This is your measured ratio value and actual ratio value divided by actual ratio value into 100. So this is your calculating formula for your error calculating formula for your voltage ratio. This is your common error calculating formula for even for your winding resistance also. This is your error calculation formula. And also many of the error calculation formula, CT error calculation formula ratio, CT ratio error calculation formula, all these error calculation formula is a common thing for most. With some good example, we are going to calculate the three phase transformer ratio now. So as per me, I am just explaining that uh, this is your injecting side, which means in primary side we have injected three phase supply and measuring the voltage in your secondary side. So ultimately you can easily able to know that we are injecting three phase voltage, which means 415 or to 430 volt. Ultimately you need to measure before in every taps we need to measure the primary and secondary side of your voltage while doing the voltage ratio test. So this is your voltage to be measured here. 1u 1v 1u 1w 1w 1u. For ROIB, alternatively I have used as a UVW. This is your primary VP voltage. Then secondary side of your VS voltage, 2V 2U 2V 2W 2W 2U. Then secondary to neutral. In here this is your delta to star transformer. So I am also measuring the secondary side of your voltage, 2U 2N 2V 2N 2W 2N. Secondary side of your voltage is measured. Then actual Vs by Vp, normal formula, which means before I have said that V primary is equal to divided by V secondary. This is your measured ratio value will be there. So 1U 1V divided by 2U 2V. Then 1V 1W divided by 2V 2W. then 1W 1U is equal divided by 2W 2U. So these three need to be calculated, which means need to be measured and calculated. Then for while calculating the 2U to 2N, we are going to check with which means normally you know very well that the line voltage of your star transformer is 1 by root 3 times of your phase voltage, which means the line while calculating converting it to a phase voltage, we need to divide by 1 by root 3 times. That's the thing I have used here for checking the line to neutral connection, which means phase voltage. For checking the phase voltage, I have used this one as a formula. Then for example, I am just taking as a 11 kV divided by 433 volt transformer. This is your actual ratio 25.40 voltage, which means V primary divided by V secondary. 11 kV I have written as a 11,000 volt in primary divided by secondary 433 volt. So ultimately we can get the actual ratio value as a 225.40. So now I am going to find the values of all those things. For that for example I just written as a like this. This is for your example, which means the measured value will be like this mostly. 1U 1V is equal to 408 volt, 1V 1W equal to 416, 1W 1U equal to 412, then 2V 2U is equal to 16.2 volt, 2V 2W is equal to 16.34 volt, 2W 2U is equal to 16.5 volt. Then neutral 2U 2N is equal to 9.8, 2V 2N is equal to 9.4, 2W 2N equal to 9.8. So after putting that in your formula, you can easily able to understand that the value which is matching with your actual error value, actual ratio value. After getting the values, you need to measure. You have get the measured and actual value. We need to find the error ratio of it. As of before video, I have explained that all the error ratios will be same, which means error ratio formula will be same for all those most of the equipments. So by this we are calculating the values. You can easily understand, I think so. Most of them are equalizing, the values are. So this is your formula for finding the voltage ratio of your three-phase transformers. So in our next video we will further go with vector groups, how to find the vector groups in your transformer. So please carefully watch my video. I think it will be useful for your understanding purpose also. Maybe thank you everyone. We will see you in the next video. Share your knowledge and gain your knowledge. Nandri, Vanakkam.